Welcome to the Crypto Nest. All right, so I'm trying to do a quick flash overview of markets. Okay, so you can see that this one, once again, someone is playing with the chart because the data, because the last time I did the video, this is the same one. The chart was starting at $1. So anyway, walk away from this one. It's really bad. Well, that's not professional advice. That's just my opinion. Rune got wrecked big time. I got, by the way, liquidated, and yeah, I'm supposed to do a video on my discovery on how it does work, spot margin. And I never saw any information about that. So, and I did quite of research, as yeah, futures or spot margin. Yeah, I'm new on that, and I'm don't just it's. I would say I would call it a hobby or exploration of the tool. So there you go. Anyway, for Rune, you can say that we went below the 0.7x6, but now it's fighting at that level. It could be a nice entry point, possibly, but well, for sure we need to be careful about this one. So once again, we had 5-way up, we have an A, a B, and a C, and this could be an amazing entry point, but now the problem is, will we have enough time to do this third wave in yellow? That's the thing, before Bitcoin reaches top. So this is the challenge. Did I want to do that? Just move it around. Okay, so this is the challenge, but this could be, I don't want to say once in a lifetime chance for Rune to get low price and have an explosion price. Okay, so Pi network, you can see I don't cover it often. I'm mining Pi, by the way. They extended the KYC and the mainnet checklist up to next month. So you still have 1 month to do that, otherwise you may lose your coins. And then many altcoins got destroyed. I'm really pissed about this, because we're doing fine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I thought, we did finish this bigger wave 2, right? But now I'm still in questioning. But this could be just a 1, 2 of this third wave. So once again, I did got some avalanche, once again, in the margin. I got liquidated a little bit on AVAX on the margin, but now I bought back even lower. Actually, I did bought some on the margin when it was $22, so not bad. So we shall see. If I do a 1-to-1 ratio wave A to wave C, you can see that I arrive at $14.80, and that's the same thing as Rune, If we go that low, we'll have the time to recover and make a new all-time high. So that's the challenge. Brett also, you can see that, wow, we did reach a very nice level. Congratulations to all the people who actually made it and they were confident enough. Well, I'm saying congratulations now. Maybe, it's going to go the other way around, but, very, very nice entry point. Anyway, even this point is not as bad. But once again, you do manage your risk. Okay, so is there other things? I wanted to check Link. It's been a long time. I should put it on the other chart as well. Okay, Link. There are many charts who got destroyed, right? So let me see here. 1, 2, 3, because I do like this 1, 2. I would call this as a 3, a 4, and a 5. And now, am I going to invalidate this fourth wave count because of a week? Absolutely not. And once again, you can see how relevant is that the MA200 just was there and then acted. I don't know if it did touch. It doesn't seem it really touched, but you know, it did apply some pressure, I guess. And people will say, "Oh my God!" Like, you know, Link at MA200 level, I'm a buyer. On top of that, near the 0.618 fib retracement, that I know honestly, this was a freaking deal. And once again, when you have big capitulation, big liquidations, you know, that's the challenge, to not be scared and buy. And you know, 24 hours later, 27% up and not even done. Now, so still not invalidating, and now this, you know, it's looking good. Also, what else do I want to check? ADA. Unfortunately, ADA, I really okay. Now I need to clean up this chart. I agree with you. I do have another one, but need to go and check. Anyway, Ada, I'm going to do another one because I need to find where is the chart that I usually do my more long term. That was the short term. That's why it's a little bit messy. But I need to go on the 15 minutes or 1 hour to make it clear and zoom in. Otherwise, if you zoom out, yeah, it look a mess like that. But I do agree. I need to do some cleanup on my chart. The problem is, ideally, I would have like 3 charts for per stock and crypto, short term, mid term, long term. But since I have more than 70 invested crypto and stock, that would triple my work. So yeah, do I regret that? Yes and no, because you know I have many altcoins that I invested and I'm very positive. A few I'm you know, making few bucks, a few I'm losing a little bit of money. Average I'm making money. So yeah, it's like, you know, in a bear market it's like fishing, right? You look at the project and you look for the potential, and then you get a little bit here and a little bit there. But maybe the mistake I did is, by now I should have reduced by half of my coins. But you know, it's a work in progress, study research, if you wanna say. Mm. All right, so just took a sip of coffee. All right, so we have a wave one, wave two, which I already told you I don't really like it because it's very deep. But we have another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for this third wave. So now let me check this allegedly fourth wave. Also, you can see that I was exploring the idea this is the A, this is the B, and we are doing the C. Well, damn, we did do the C. And what was that? One. Anyway, I'm going to check it out after. Let me do the fib retracement. Yeah, lately a lot of things happen in my life. That's why my charts are a little bit of a mess because I don't have time to catch up. So now, should I invalidate the whole thing? That's or I just don't count this this week, you know, because at one certain point this was a liquidation. Now, so the proper thing to do would be to go back and check. So this was a bigger wave 3, this was a bigger wave 4, and this was the A, an A, B, C for the B, and this is the C. And you know, so now just wanna do it with you so you do understand what I'm doing. So this is the top of the third wave, and I'm counting this is a A, this is a B, and this is a C, and this is the bigger wave A. Now, for the wave B, we are having an A, a B, and a C wave, 5 waves. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm counting this as a wave B. And now possibly this one. I'm trying to check if I count this as A, B, and then 1, 2. I'm not sure if I count this as a 3, this is a 4, and this is a 5. But anyway, you see my point. I'm counting this as a C wave, and this is, now I'm going to reallocate the fourth wave here. And on top of that, I'm going to try to do, because here I don't understand what did I do. It's missing something. I don't see it. I know it's here. Okay. So this is the A and ends here. And this is the B and 1-to-1 ratio, wave A, wave C. Okay, so that's pretty much close, right? Actually, it's kind of perfect. Now I can take out this and also that, and I just want to replace that for the A, B, and C. And I'm going to change the color. So we do understand that this, to me now, is the C, and this is where the fourth wave ended. Okay, so now anything we see now, this should be it, the recovery of and working on this fifth wave. And potentially now Ethereum should start to outperform Bitcoin one day, possibly before the end of the bull market. Okay, now let's jump to miners. Okay, this chart, it's still kind of broken. I need to, yeah, once again do some cleaning here, because I do agree. You know, yeah, actually, someone said, you know, my charts are messy. Yeah, I think I couldn't agree more. They are sometimes, but he did that comment on one of my cleanest charts. So, you know, dude, poor guy. Don't look at this one. Clean Spark, 3, 4, 5. You know, that's the thing. You know, this is not my job, my full-time job. So, you know, I don't have time to do 18 charts, and I don't remember all my charts. So I need to have everything here. And then I say, okay, this is a bigger wave 1 possible. So I'm guessing I was counting this as A, B, C. That's one possibility. And possible that this was an A, B, C for the wave A. This is the wave B, and doing the wave C. Now, yeah, it's for the moment, this is what it's pretty working out. We have this downtrend here. We had a possible 1, 2, but still nothing that I can say. Nothing changed since my last video. We did react at the 0.7x6, but we didn't break out from the downtrend. That would be the first hint that something more bullish would happen. Also, not great, because this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But as you can see, the wave 4 overlap the wave 1, so this is a total diagonal, so less reliable. Okay, so the MGI. Well, the MGI, I did do the chart and did tell you that this is possible, that, you know, this is a B wave. It looks, you know, more and more this that way anyway. Did react to the 0.786 band on. Could have even extended this trend line and make it more reliable. Yeah, kind of. So we do have multiple touching point, and now it's decision time. Is the MGI ready to skyrocket or go lower and invalidate even this B? Actually, it doesn't invalidate the B wave, but just after it's going to destroy the chart. Because going below the wave 2, then at one certain point, it wouldn't make sense. So it would be, this would be A, this is the B, and still doing the C of this wave 2. And let me check here. No, just for as a reference, let's put back. What are the levels then left possible? So it can still go a little bit lower, but don't have much. You see, oh no, still have room. Okay, so worst case scenario, this green wave 2 wouldn't have been finished, and the other interpretation would be that this is a diagonal, no doubts. So this is a wave 1, and this would be A overshooting wave B and a C. So let's see how it goes with that. Now we do have a Hive. Hive, it's a mess. Still struggling. Soon enough, it will have to decide which path is going to take. So you can see that don't have much time left, and more likely, because it didn't move, it's going to keep doing something like so, and overextend the trend lines, and eventually is going to do something. All right, so hot. Well, once again, I'm still not convinced that the correction is finished. We had a 1 2, very nice 3 4 still applies. So honestly, if we could make it, let's finish with this correction. Let's go a little bit lower. 26 would be perfect, or 24.50, and even a week, a quick wick to the MA 200, and then we're done with it, and then we have a nice structure, went to the limit, and then we can turn the page. Mara, same. You can see that kind of the miners are have a lack of stamina. They are not able, for the moment anyway, to overpower or skyrocket or change the direction. Riot, nothing to say. Also move. What can I say here? Let me see. I do see something I saw. Once again, trends are good until they get broken. So maybe it's going to mess a little bit around again, and then maybe it's going to be ready to go up. And NDA. Okay, in this one I'm interested to see. I'm going to go on the 1 hour. So I did tell you guys that, when the crash happened, I said, okay, could be the A wave and the B wave, and actually yesterday morning, it did work out, isn't it? Because now you can see the price did react to the 0.618 and it's going lower. Ideally now, if we can go to 185, then to me, it should be good. We do have some more space up to 162. That, I think, I'm going to... actually, let me put an alarm now. And I'm going to consider to accumulate more. All right. Who's left now? Quick overview on stocks. Okay, so I want to check coin. Not on a 15 minutes. So this possibly already finished this second wave, right? But I don't have any impulsive movement, so I'm not sure. I think this correction is not done. Possibly it's going to go lower, and I'm aiming at the $235. Maybe it's going to touch the MA 200. Okay, so yeah, I want to check MicroStrategy. As you know, I did tell you that I am investing into MicroStrategy. So I believe this could still be an A. This is the B, and we're doing the C. If it doesn't, well, too bad. But for the moment, it's working pretty much okay. So this is the A, this is the B, and I was saying, exploring the possibility. Now we're doing the C. Within the C, we are going to have the A, the B, and the C. Once again, the A can be 5 waves. So A, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So that's okay. So now what we're missing is the B wave in 3 waves. So an A, a B, and a C. And we need price, ideally confined into this level between 354 to round it up and 382. So if price get here, then I'm going to monitor closely if there is a rejection of price, and then that would be my first hint that price is reversing, and more likely probability will be high that we're making a C wave. Also mention, notice, I want to say that yeah, I made 50s here, so it can act as a resistance, a same height at the 0.618 at 365.20. I think that's pretty much all. Otherwise, it's going to be too long. Okay, let me. I never cover Tesla, but I dislike the CEO. But all right, so here it's. I do believe that we are going to make a deeper correction, and the reason is very clear that you can see that I count this as A, this as a B, and now this is a C. So let's go and check how deep this C wave could get. Just wanna readjust. Actually, let's just check the setting here. C left. It didn't change anything, did it? Okay, I wanna add. Okay, so these are the next level that I'm checking. Usually it's 0.618. I like to put also the 786, and for sure the ideal would be 1-to-1 ratio. So we have confluence of levels 334.29 and 335.30. Wow, that's pretty close. So that would be a very, very nice entry point, and maybe I would be tempted to get in at this level. And once again, this is my strategy. You need to check out yours. All right, so this is pretty much all for today. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and have a good day.